Hello, you amazing people! Welcome back. If you're someone who loves jeans and t-shirts all year round, but want to still style it up and look chic and put together, then keep on watching. If you are a busy woman like me, but still wants to make an effort to look chic and stylish every day, then you have come to the right place. Please give this video a like and don't forget to click the subscribe button and the bell icon so you get notified every time a new video comes out. This is an instant style elevator. Tucking in your t-shirt into your jeans instantly transforms your look into a more structured outfit, and it does not look like you just threw something on and came out. If you're not comfortable with the full tuck that I have done right now, you can do a half tuck, a side tuck. I have an entire video about it. I will link it above for you guys to watch. I really find that adding a trench coat to a jeans and a t-shirt outfit instantly transformed it into more of a chic and a classic look. And a lightweight trench coat like this one is actually a staple basic for layering for any kind of season. The trick here is what I do is I tie the back of the trench coat to kind of cinch the entire trench coat to make it more structured and look more classic. Or you can add in a blazer like this one. This is a plaid lightweight blazer, and I feel like this is such a timeless piece in my closet, and I keep on wearing it with different kind of outfits, and this works perfectly with this jeans and t-shirts outfit. And you can actually experiment with different styles of blazer to create your own signature style. I have cinched in the sleeves so that it kind of gives you more of a summery vibe, but if it's cold, you can always pull up your sleeves and cover your arms. If it's too hot, then add a hat. It instantly transforms and makes your outfit look classy and chic. And I love kind of these fedora style hats. They look so chic and they work year around. Adding a belt is an easy transformation for your jeans and t-shirt outfit. It breaks the whole casual look, adds a structure to your entire outfit, and you can play around with so many different styles of belts that you want to wear. I'm wearing this one. This is more of a Western style, but I find this is really chic and stylish way to this otherwise like simple jeans and t-shirts outfit. And it works with my graphic tee kind of. This actually works for both your jeans and your t-shirt. Cuffing the sleeves of your t-shirt gives it more of a structured look and style, and cuffing your jeans adds more of an effortless chic style to your look. Plus, cuffing them actually elongates your legs. And if you have a jeans which is normally longer, this is an easy way to shorten it without alteration. Pumps look really stylish with jeans and are an obvious style that we go for when we want to dress up our jeans. But instead of that, go for loafers. I find that they're really classic masculine style, adds more power to your denim outfit. You can actually play with so many varieties of loafers. You can add loafer mules or just simple loafers and have fun with it, guys. You don't have to stop there. Now in summer, I love espadrilles that give you the same look that pumps do, but they are more summery and more chic way of styling up your jeans. You can also add strappy sandals. They are such a perfect summer sandals, and they actually make your denim outfit look more chic and more dressy. Adding a chunky necklace to a plain white t-shirt or a layered necklace like this one to a graphic tee, if you're wearing that like me, is a great way of accessorizing your jeans and t-shirt look, and it adds a little bit more of a put together touch to the entire outfit. But as I always say, don't go overboard. I also love wearing watches. They are such a classic and timeless addition to your entire outfit, and you actually look put together in them. Trust me. Now, I never go without watches. I feel completely naked without them. But I also love adding kind of dainty bracelets with it. Not really chunky bracelets, but dainty bracelets that kind of keeps the chicness of this entire watch thing that is going on your wrist. Trust me, you will love wearing it in this style. This tip is for those of you who actually like to wear more monochromatic looks or tend to go for more darker clothing pieces like black t-shirt or darker t-shirts or even black jeans. You can add a pop of color in terms of add a colorful bag or a colorful belt or a colorful jacket or even a bright lip to enhance your entire outfit. You also look more put together and you add your own signature style to your entire outfit. I hope you ladies found these tips helpful to inspire you to try something new with your next jeans and t-shirts outfit. Please don't forget to click the like button and click that subscribe button and the bell icon so you get notified when a new video comes out. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!